Are we live? We live? Oh yeah, we live. What is up, my beautiful people? It's your boy, it's Mr20west in the building, or should I say Mr20west Coast. Whoa, whoa. I'm coming at you from the garage, aka the mystery shop. That's what I got going on in Vegas. Like, I legitly got this crazy stuff. I got all this room to make all like any crazy mods, any like graphics I want. If I wanted to put a tire on this bike, I could put a tire on this bike. If I wanted to do brakes, I could do brakes. If I wanted to change the oil on my bike, I could. Indoors. Why? It could be raining outside. There is no rain here in Vegas though. So it's so great. It's so great. ZX6R. The ZX6R is one of the best bikes that's out there for stunt riding, for if you racing. It's a good race bike, it's a good track bike, it has a lot of good qualities about it that make it such a savage bike. So I decided to take it out for a spin. I go down Glenwood Road, right by Towers High School, right? I'll go down there and there's a Lancer down there. Just legitly snapped off. So Cena, if you're seeing this video, I need a new one. I had the Cena 10C. I still got the Cena, the camera part, but I need this part right here so I can listen to my jams again. But it was my fault. It was the way the bike is set up. It's just not good for anything but going fast. And when it broke, I was like, dang. So then I got the really, like, these past couple of days, I've been really enjoying riding my bike. Like, it really has made me so like, it's like you feel the freedom of it. Like, at first there was no freedom, but now I just feel so free. So this vlog is actually gonna be called Starter Tricks, like for stunt bike riders. I'm lying, I'm not a stunt bike rider, but there's some tricks that I do on a daily basis when I get hype that I feel like you should know how to do for beginners. Hold on, there's a trash truck. Okay, alright, so let's get started. Number one. You definitely, like, you're so far away. I just feel like you just need to be a little closer to me. Okay, number one, alright. You learn how to get comfortable on your bike, which most of us are, and you decide to go to one of those freaking bike meets where all the freaking real stunners, not saying that you're not a real stunner, but you're just not there yet. So one of the moves that you should like think about doing is letting your hands off the handlebar. This is starter trick number one. This was the first thing that I really learned how to do. Even on a bicycle, it just seemed so, yeah, like I was really doing my thing, right? All right. Number two, standing up on your bike. Like, wait, that's too fast. Okay, this is standing up on your bike. This is your number two starter trick. If you could just stand up on your bike, if you just feel like this on your bike, and you feel great, this is a trick. This is a starter trick, alright? Alright. Now, granted, to even get there, you need to do your little hands, like I just said. The first one, second one, standing up like this, baby. This is hotness. You see the donks? You see the donks. Alright. So, once I mastered those skills, I took it to another step because I was a little bit crazy when I first started riding, and I wanted to be a stunt bike rider so bad.Sion from meeting a lot of wheelie people that do wheelies, from meeting a lot of people that do wheelies and a lot of people that apparently it's trash day today. It's a lot of trash. Okay, so meeting new meeting stunners and seeing them do the wheelies and them crashing a lot. If you're not prepared to crash, do these tricks. These tricks are 100% safe. Kind of. Okay, maybe not that much. T's here. Oh man, the whole family's here. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this vlog anyway. If you're not prepared to fall, do these tricks. Alright, so this is number 3. So once you get here, right, I need you to take this foot just like this. And we're here. We're here. Once you get to this trick right here, you are legitly, oh my god. This dang on Mustang. It's so loud. So once you get that trick, that is number 3. That's number 3. The hardness of it is, it's not that hard. Hold on, I gotta go because my family just got here. I'll be right back. Okay, alright, we're back. And I'm sorry about that. I got distracted. When my family pulls up, that's kind of no-brainer. Anyway. So, once we went past the hands off, we did the stand-up, and then we did the stand-up on tank. Now, listen. When you get to this point, at this point, you should really look inside of getting life insurance, because at this point you're a hooligan. And if your hands are still on the bars while you're doing this, you need to stop. But in all seriousness, don't do anything on your bike until you're absolutely comfortable on your bike. So if it take 30, 40, 50,000 miles for you to get comfortable, that's fine. If you decide that you don't want to do any tricks and you're not a stunt bike rider and it's just not your thing, that's cool too. Like, I don't understand why people always still feel like you that or this. But as always, it's your boy, it's Mr20west. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned because I got a lot of stuff coming up. Yay, daily vlogs. Turn up. Peace.